Let's design this e-commerce product selection animation in Figma. You would need these assets: an image of an airpod and your frame which you've already designed. So for me, I've already designed mine as it will be. Now bring in your ellipse and draw a perfect circle. Arrange this airpod accordingly on this circle. Now you are going to highlight everything there and you are going to give it a frame selection. Remember, we don't need the color of this circle, so we are going to go ahead to close the eye as if it's not there. Now you are going to click on the frame and bring it into your design. Once you bring it here, you will discover that it is small and is not really attractive and is not in uniform with the design. So we are going to use our scale. Just click K on your keyboard and you're going to scale it up, maintaining their original shape. I had to close up my grid eye so that I'll be able to see my design properly. Now the active airpod is actually this blue. Yeah, it's actually this color. So I had to rotate it and go to the transformation and make it a 0 degree. Now you are going to position this thing properly. Okay, follow me closely. Go to your main frame, right, and copy this color, the color on that airpod, to the first circle that is already inside your frame. Make sure that you copy this text also to the frame that is highlighting the color that is active, right? Just like I just did right now. Okay, so once you are done, your first frame is ready, right? You are going to click on the main frame, that is your iPhone frame, and you are going to duplicate this frame. Just click F on your keyboard and select this plus button that is at the side of your iPhone frame, right? You are going to duplicate it. Now follow the same step that I used for the first one, rotating them to the active product. Once you are done, head over to the prototype section. Select the second color, which is the orange. I don't know if it's purple, but anyhow, you know what I mean. So select it and use this interaction. The trigger is on click, the animation is smart animate, curve is ease out, while duration is 300 milliseconds. You are going to make use of this interaction for all of them. Now, if you want to have a smooth animation, okay, you would see that once I try to click it when it's active, it doesn't respond. Now the only active one is when it's not active. As I click on it, it's going to show me the product. Now let me tell you what to do so that even in its active state, it can also show you the next product. Therefore, select the color when it's active and highlight it to the next one or drag it to the next one, and you should have something like this. I believe this is very understandable and very simple. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the comments. Follow me, like and share this video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.